Hey there, fellow budget enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into all things finance. Today, I'm excited to share with you a step-by-step guide on creating a budget in Excel. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's get started. Alright, the first step is to set up your budget categories. Think of these as the building blocks of your financial plan. Common categories include housing, transportation, groceries, entertainment, and savings. You can customize them based on your unique needs. I am going to create simple home budget. To create a comprehensive budget, we need to start by entering our total income in a cell. This is the amount of money you expect to earn or receive within a given period, such as a month. Now that we have our total income, it's time to allocate funds to different expense categories. This helps us keep track of where our money is going and ensure we stay within our financial means. Here you can change currency to your local. Right-click, then click Insert. Yes, you can rewrite the content in a cell that already has existing content by shifting the cell up or down in most spreadsheet applications. Next, we will use a formula to calculate the tax amount. Suppose we have 24% tax. We are calculating using formula. In an empty cell, enter the formula equals before asterisk 24% to multiply the total salary by the tax rate of 24% and calculate the tax amount. To begin, let's assume that we have a set of values in cells B5 to B12 and we want to find their sum. In an empty cell, enter the formula equals sum B5, B12 to calculate the sum of the values in the range B5 to B12.
Now we will calculate our net income, or we calculate profit or loss. To do this, we will subtract our income from total expenses. Remaining will be our net income or saving. In this case, our expenses are more than our income.